3, 2, 1, go.
Hey!
Wait, what's up?
You just add in yours, I just add in my hay in there. Hey!
Welcome back to 3x7 Outdoor. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss any of our uploads.
Don't miss a thing. Doesn't this thing look sweet?
My gosh, that is awesome. With the sledgehammers on there.
It fits without even a lift kit.
I want to see it with a lift kit though, to be honest.
I think we need to do a lift kit on What in Blue Blazes. This is our pristine show body.
Yeah, 1972.
K5 Blazer.
K5 Blazer. Today, we're talking about the Rustler 4x4 VXL. We have the OG tires on the back and slash tires on the front. Works great in the summer, but not so great in the winter. And if you guys have been following us for like the past 2 months, you'll know Sledgehammers.
Sledgehammer crazy.
Yeah, we're crazy about them. We're not gonna talk about them anymore. We're not gonna keep going. So guys, Sledgehammers, they're my favorite. They're the best. We're not gonna keep doing that. You guys get it. They're great.
But are they great on the Rustler? We must find out.
I would think so. Same type of contact point as the Haas. The Rustler is a little bit of a heavier car. It's quite heavy now as we have many upgrades in it. We have many aluminum parts on it. We actually have GTR shocks, which are gonna add a little bit of weight. What's really adding some weight is a chassis brace that's in there.
This is the elongated chassis.
This is the elongated battery tray chassis. It actually doesn't make the car longer. Unlike the new Max.
Just makes it so you can fit the bigger 3S 5000 battery in it.
We actually put on the Proline belted trenchers. They were hot off the press. We didn't like them so much as we were in the cold and snow.
Yeah.
And because they were belted, they couldn't balloon and get any traction. So guys, look at this is what it looks like before.
It's a Rustler.
Pretty menacing.
No, it's a mega Rustler. How about that?
Mega Rustler. I already like the tires on it already. The ones from the Haas are bolting straight up. Grabbing that one tire that's just messed up.
It's got ice in it. Plug your holes on the inside of your rims if you're going in wet conditions, because this one's full of water and frozen.
There you go. You got
You're done?
You got a Rustler with sledgehammers.
Since the Haas is missing its sledgehammers, what do you say we throw paddle tires on the Haas?
It'd be an interesting experiment because the Haas is the ultimate snow machine. But are the sledgehammers making it the ultimate snow machine?
There it is, boys and girls. The Haas with paddles.
If you don't already understand, the Haas is amazing with sledgehammers. And we think the sledgehammers are amazing in the snow. So that means the Haas is amazing in the snow.
Best snow vehicle.
Guys, should we get a Summit?
But I want to do my top secret Bronco. I don't want to tell them yet.
So what's gonna happen with the Bronco? Okay, we're ready.
We don't have controllers yet.
All right, guys, it's disgustingly cold, like torture out here.
Sledgehammer Rustler. What do we call it?
Mega Rustler.
The Mega Rustler.
You guys are, because I got my coat.
Already stuck with the Haas.
What?
Already stuck. Oh, I got out.
Oh man, that was a struggle. The Rustler feels cool. I mean, it feels like a Haas.
It feels Haasy.
It feels like a Haas. Let's do a drift test.
Ooh, squirrely. Not bad. I can't even.
Oh, you kind of kept it. Just. Yeah, but mine just decides to just not.
Climb right up the hill. I just crawled. I didn't even try. It's like frozen.
Yeah, look at that. The snow right here is extremely deep, but there's like a ice over it.
Yeah, so it's like you're driving on pavement practically.
Oh, you dug yourself in.
The Haas got stuck.
That was nice.
Here you go.
That was cool. Here you go.
That was a pretty slow drift.
Yeah, it was slow.
Four-wheeler.
Yeah, it just instantly wants to do donuts. That was kind of a drift. I just find that it's harder to steer. It's a lot harder to steer with the paddle tires.
But this thing, let's see if this does a wheelie right here. In the snow.
Like what? How, what?
Oh,
Oh.
she wheelied pretty good. Them paddle tires are doing their job.
Okay, maybe it's just that patch. Let's try it here. I did
there
lift
you just
up.
did the little baby
It was
lift.
super icy right there. I felt it.
Yeah, I did the same thing.
Yeah, they're just not as bright as the Sledgehammers are. They're limited. They're very limited, whereas the Sledgehammers are very...
But they are working.
They do work. They do work. Just,
so we can't totally rule them out.
I will say they probably work better than regular Rustler tires. I think paddle tires do make a big difference in the winter, but the Sledgehammers are just, they're more versatile.
Let's go in.
Well guys, today we put the Sledgehammers on the Rustler and paddle tires on the Haas.
The Haas did kind of good, didn't it?
It did pretty good. I will say I still like the Sledgehammers more on it. I do like the Sledgehammers on it more just because they're more versatile. They're able to like drift around better, drift around the corners better, all that fun, juicy stuff.
And really, the today was not a very fair comparison because of how hard the snow is.
Yeah, it's got a crust on top of it.
It's just like driving on a road. It's so hard.
It's nice to walk on though. You like walk on it because it rained on top of the snow and then it froze over and you walk on it and it's like walking on a crunchy pillow.
Sledgehammers on the Rustler.
You know, they did great, but it still is very squirrely. It's a very squirrely vehicle.
Squirrely vehicle, yeah. But I do have a bias or an opinion. We have this thing set up for extreme bashing. We jump this thing, it flies in the air like a dream. So we have the shocks set up really stiff.
We have double shockage up here.
Dual coilovers on the front. So I'm kind of leaning towards that setup is what is making it squirrely in the snow, because it's so stiff that the wheel is always down on the ground. So it's not absorbing the torque when you're giving it to it. That's my theory. Not cut and dried. Your Rustler may be different if you put Sledgehammers on it. But however, we do really love this setup. You know, jacked up really high. So yeah, we really need to test a little more, I think.
I do have one very important thought. That you subscribe and ring the bell. The reason I'm saying this is because we go out and torture ourselves in the cold, and I think we might deserve a subscriber from you.
If you find us annoying, hit the thumbs down button twice, and it'll be double bad.
Shock protectors. The shock protectors that we put on in the last video aren't even scratched.
They look really neat though.
Yeah, look pretty cool. I think it's an awesome car. I think we should put these onto there. And yeah, see you in the next video. 3 by 7 Outdoor signing out.
Bye for now.